Welcome to our 1970 Mercedes Benz 300 SEL 6.3-liter project car. It will be available for sale on the Bring a Trailer auction website. One of only 6,526 of these big 6.3-liter cars, they were famous for their amazing M100 engines. This particular car has not run since 2003, but it does come with two of those M100 engines, one installed and one separate. They both turn easily.
Okay, perfect. That'll work.
This car was originally purchased by the owner's husband as part of a larger Mercedes Benz collection back in the late 80s. It was then shipped to Mississippi before her husband's passing. It eventually made its way back to Northern California, where it now resides. Largely complete, the only rust issue is in the rear passenger door due to a window being stuck open. Structurally, everything else appears sound. The suspension can be pumped up, but will eventually settle back down. We think this would make a great restoration project. It is available on Bring a Trailer, and you can find out more information at Genau, AutoWerks.com.